What is up, guys? And today we are doing the shotgun only challenge. We can have any shotgun. We're just gonna do the shotgun only challenge, and I'm getting pushed. He's so good, guys. It's Booga. It's Booga, guys. Sure. Oh my god. I just got in Booga's game and killed him, bro. Like, that's not gonna be entertaining for you. Wait, is this good? What are you doing? Oh. Let's go. We gotta fight. That doesn't box him. Oh my god. No mats? No mats on you, buddy? Get out of here. I'll take that blue lever. And your minis. We'll get a bounty. Behind us. Oh, I found Kyra too. What's up? Oh, no mats. It's over. Get out of my game. He had no mats too? Oh my god. Mats? Yes. Bro, how? Like, do you guys see my ping? Like, I should be taking these walls. That kid had a med kit, the first kid I killed. Oh my god, how did I survive that, bro? I don't know how I survived that, but I did. I freaking did. This kid's really gonna do me like that? Wow. Pickaxe. I'll take your shockwaves, thank you. Guess I won't, bro. Come on. What's up, guys? I know we didn't win, but we got close. We had a nice little clutch. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.